Hello everyone, welcome back to Dr. Wayne Dyer's 101 Ways to Transform Your Life. Here we are with part 53, where he says the best idea is to go and have conversations with God in private. Like go out and have these conversations. Instead of asking for special favors or things to fix your problems, offer instead your strength, that you're going to put forth all your will and all your power and all that kind of stuff into fixing the problem. I think this idea is a little bit, I think it's pretty useful, honestly. Now, people may take, if you're not taking a natural, perspective as being of an Abrahamic religion, the going to a specific God or going just to the one God seems a little bit off. But I would take it as being pretty, Wayne Dyer's pretty good at talking about Taoism, talking about a little bit of Hinduism, Buddhism, as well as the Christianity kind of stuff in his work. So he's willing to accept the idea of replacing God with the universe or the subconscious mind or stuff like that. So that's what I recommend here if you're not going to take the Christian perspective, saying instead, go to your subconscious mind, go to the universe, etc., and just kind of quiet your mind, enter that zone of silence that he's talked about so many times before, and just kind of hang out there and say, you know what? I'm going to offer to serve. I'm going to offer my strength. This is the whole phrase about how, God helps those who help themselves, I think, here. And then going on your own, out in your own experience, really gives you that kind of sense, I would say. Gives you that kind of energy that you can go and help yourself with this kind of material. That going out and doing it and just kind of sitting back and offering to serve, offering I have strength, and affirming that really gives you the power to change a lot of things in your life. That's about it for part 53 here. I will see you guys next time with part 54. So thanks everybody for watching and stay tuned.